Tax season is right around the corner, and so in today's video, we are going to talk about 3 ways that you could parlay your tax return into homeownership. Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of our video blogs, our vlogs here at the Living 48 Real Estate Team. Super excited to have you back. I am Katie Evans, owner and lead agent, and today we are talking about 3 ways that you can utilize your tax return to purchase a home. So let's jump in and talk real quickly about what each one of these are, how you could utilize it, and you can start planning for the future. All right, so let's talk about actually using it for your down payment. Okay, so we all know saving that huge lump sum can take a long time. It can be overwhelming. It can be daunting. Here's an opportunity where you're going to probably get a big chunk of money all at one time. So you could utilize that for your down payment. Remember, down payments, depending on what loan program you are utilizing, can run you anywhere between 5%, 25%, 20%. It's really based on the loan program. So we are going to want to explore those loan programs. We are going to want to see which ones are the best for you to utilize, and just look at your current financial situation. The second way that you can utilize your tax return to jump into home ownership is to actually take those funds and have them available for your closing costs and moving expenses. So again, there are closing costs associated with purchasing a house. There are title and escrow fees. There are recordation fees. There are all kinds of stuff. Anyway, it could be anywhere between 2 and 5% of your purchase price potentially. So this again is a lump sum of money that you could take and apply towards those parts and those fees of purchasing your house. Okay. Now, the third and probably one of the most interesting ideas right now is that you can use that tax refund to lower your interest rate by buying down points. We call these discount points. So during the home buying process, let me see if I can explain this to you as well as I can. Your lender may present you with the option to pay discount points to buy down your mortgage interest rate. So for easy talking and easy conversation, a point is about equal to 1% of your loan. Okay, so just kind of keep that in mind. Point is about equal to 1% of your loan. So discount points essentially are an upfront interest payment that allows you to lock in a lower interest rate and thus reduce your monthly fixed rate and your payment for the life of the loan. So this is another great option of something that you can do with that tax return to help make home ownership more of a reality for you this year. So if you think that using your tax refund might be a great way for you to purchase a home this year, I would love to chat with you. I would love to connect you with an outstanding lender that can also further this conversation with you. So please feel free to reach out to us, either reply to this email if you're getting this through email. You can DM us if you're catching this on a social media site or on our YouTube channel, or feel free to text me directly. You can reach me at 480-415-1341. Again, 480-415-1341. And we would always invite you over to our website at www.living48realestate.com, where we've got this and many, many more videos and resources for you. Thanks so much for watching today, and we'll catch you on our next vlog.